Are you ready to create stunning quilling letters? Welcome back to my video series on the quilling alphabet, where I'll be sharing a range of techniques and designs to help you make your own beautiful quilling letters. In this video, I will show you how to make the quilling letter B. And now get ready to be inspired. I'm going to quill my letter B on a thick cardboard. I have already printed out the letter on an extra sheet of paper. And now I'm going to place it right on the center of the cardboard and secure its position with tape. Before I can start with the quilling process, I have to emboss all the outlines of the letter with an embossing tool. Avoid applying excessive pressure with the embossing tool, as it could potentially damage the cardboard. And keep in mind, use a ruler to emboss straight lines. Here are the raised outlines of the letter B that I've embossed on the cardboard. They are almost invisible and necessary for the outline quilling. I'm going to use 10mm wide paper strips of 300 GSM paper to make the outlines. I'm going to start the outline quilling of the letter by curling a paper strip with a needle tool. I also recommend dividing all the outlines of the letter into many little pieces before you attach them on the cardboard. On this part of the letter, I'm going to add some teardrop shapes to the design. Therefore, I'm going to curl a paper strip with my needle tool and then shape it on the handle of it. And now I'm going to add all of these little pieces on the cardboard to get the outlines of the letter B. And here it is. For the upcoming step, I'm going to add some swirls to the design. But allow me to demonstrate how to make them first. I will attach multiple paper strips together using glue, ensuring they are all aligned. Next, I will begin rolling the strips around my needle tool and continue rolling tightly with my fingers until reaching the end. And finally, I will release the tension and let the rolls naturally unfold. It's time to fill the inside of the letter with these swirls. I'm also going to add some scrolls and tight coils to the design. There is a small area of the letter which I want to fill with the beehive technique, and now let me show you how to make it. I start rolling my paper strip with my slotted quilling tool into one direction, but pay attention, I let a little bit of space before rolling my paper strip. And after that, I turn around my paper strip, let the same amount of space and go on rolling into the same direction. This is the whole process. I repeat it till I reach the end of the paper strip. Just a little tip, try to roll the paper strip very tightly if you want to have equal beehives. And now I'm going to fill the little area with the beehives. I want to highlight the teardrop shapes of this design. That's why I'm going to add some pink paper strips into the teardrop shapes. And finally, I'm going to fill the empty space of the letter with some scrolls. And don't forget to remove all the excess glue from your paper strips. For the framing, I'm cutting out a watercolor printed design for the background, which fits perfectly into the frame. And here's the finished Quilling Letter B with all its swirls, scrolls and beehives. I hope you learned something new in this video, and please don't forget to like it. In the next episode of this quilling series, I will show you my quilling letter C. I will add all of the videos of this quilling series in the playlist right here. Thank you for watching and happy quilling!